nitansak, negusak, maka kapitu tiano ti kami sitiu salgaigan, ames salgaigan, nitehe salgaigan, units kapune, kiwe nista, kitiwag mana, itu apian, maka moitigui, imam tinitsigi-tsik, away na wasko, hey. Itigui moitstuta, nihiyawiwen, maga, lista, instutin, hawiyakapi, squid, nihiyawiwen, usam, gawipan, natawipan, nisto manay, piksquitsik, nihiyawiwen. Igwa, anots, ipahataman, atu, snamagusyan, itu snamagusyan ma, Luke Wills. Nesto, aski ase, iwapataman. Tadse, igway witutaman. Squats winskitin, itiwi, itatawi na tuskan. Kanti winskitin. Yagami mo yan o manista, kapis ko yan, nihiyawiwin. May neteusen, pugawiak mana, tanse, hey. May neteusen, usam nista, nihiyaws ko. Moy inuti, wan kiskisiyan, away na niya, nihiyaws ko. Maga, moy kapit, moy initiwanitayan, nihiyawiwen. Imimitaman, managatus na mapusyan. Moy chiskwens instutin twice, kaanitsigian, abo, kamas na initigian, nihiyawiwen. Magang sisi kapiks ko yan. Hey, imiwi taman. Anyways, Sandra Bull, Nitsigasun, kami sa Chipunisiwag Saigagan Uchiniya. Migwatch, si Pitaganat, itu sama kusyan. Nihiyawiwen, kagwe, kapiks ko yan, itatuwinisa. Kaimitsigian, kamasnigitsigian, iwan natuwatuskan, itiguyuti, pagan, iskenwa matugamba, nista, natuwatuskan, maga, moy niya, ange, awasisak, kapikswichik, nihiyawiwen. We talk about residential school survivors. I am the last generation of residential school. I'll never forget that moment when we were all asked to gather in Edmonton for the closing of Truth and Reconciliation in Edmonton. I was so grateful because I had the honor going with my late sister Valerie, my late sister Darlene, Karen, my late brother Randy, and Roland. First time in my life I've been publicly anywhere with my family, especially in an event like that, other than a funeral. I felt really, really humbled. So when we walked into this auditorium, it was downtown Jasper, I'll never forget, they gave us bag lunches. When I walked in those doors, they opened, I walked through and then all of a sudden I froze. And I could feel the pain, the agony. I'm just standing there and I'm just having tears going down my face. Now I understood why my siblings went to residential school. As I listened to the speakers that were up here talk about forgiveness, it is important to forgive self. As my late father used to say to me, son, if anybody you have as the worst enemy, you look at yourself in the mirror and that enemy is yourself. How could we go past that self? To me, I've learned through forgiveness our way of life, Sundance, Sweats, Nista, Katuwiti, Dasuan, wherever they have a Sundance, I'm gonna go and help in the kitchen or wherever I'm needed. But first and foremost, it's that prayer, that dance, that sound of that drum beat. It's so powerful, very powerful. I'm very proud of the savage in me. They'll never take that away from any. Nobody could take that gift that was given to me as a Nihio school, because I was born with it. The Creator had a purpose. The Creator has a purpose for Pugawi ako ta kapituti kaapitsik takwe. Just taking care of that gift, asking the Creator, kasi manto, biwitihin anots. That's how I live. I wake up, have my smudge, go outside, say good morning to the birds and the bees and the flowers, because everything is living. This is what gives me that balance, that harmony, that grounding, my way of life as a Nihio school. I'm so grateful for my language. That's the best thing I could have been born into, is our language. And I guess that's why I'm in a Cree program. I don't want to lose. Awina niya Nihio school. Imiwita mano ma kapiks ko yan Nihio iwin. When we were working here helping the food hampers, I was just speaking in Cree. This one lady looks at me, why, boy, you're good at Cree. I didn't know you could speak Cree. I said, yes. I had the privilege of having a family, and this family is my community, and it goes further than this. Because at the end of the day, we are the Creator's children. We have to continue to love, forgive. We have to be humble. We have to share. We have to care. That's who we are as Nihio people. That's embedded in us. So if anybody goes fishing or hunting, please, I live on 403, drop me off some wiyas. Oneseo, apo, minsak. Don't worry, I'll barter. I did a lot of canning this year. I don't want any money. Because guess what? When you come to my house, you're always going to get bannock lard and tea. Because that's Nihio school. And that's how our parents, our grandparents, and generation after generation used to live. And we still live in a simple, humble way. And I admire the people, I shouldn't say the people, admire, I sinuwak, nawagulmaganak, pugawiyak, kapigsquid ni Hiyawiwan. And it's time, not today, it's already happening. They're not gonna take this beautiful gift we were born with. That's Nihiyawiwan. And thank you, Anna, for inviting me. Egwa, ay pagawiyak, nahaskong tinawaw, anods, wapage, for coming. Ay